noyalam ka United Democratic Party UDP bedai ru menteri Sorkar uba polling do haka at pratrik nailar ulaong baka Tyrwa ba dangshan jong ka Sorkar ban siew hino ya ka tulop ya ki nong tre ki District Council kadi ka plan ban pyllait ya ki Autonomous District Council ADC ha Meghalaya na ka jingkhyllem namar ka Tyrkong pisa. Kat kum ka jingong ka jong ka Tyrwa jong ka Sorkar kam de satya ka blank check Henry ka de ka jingkrysan da ka kendon ka badan kam ya ki ADC bakin wanra ya ka jingpen kala ha ka rukom terekam. Ka Sorkar jala kala thau ya ki laitali ki sub committee banyakran bat ka GHADC KHADC bat JHADC halor ki Tyrwa ban wanra ki jingpen kala ha ka rukom penya ya ka plating ka ba kentup ka jingsiu ya ka tulop syakinong tre bat ban IT ya ka kaipot hapo ka saupusan singi. Ka long ka bakongsan ban penyaper hapadeng ka jing ai pisa da ka mon ngobha bat ka ka badai ban le. Hakani ka benta ka ka ba ka Sorkar ka Tyrwa ka de ka plan ban yara pisa ban wanra jingkala namar artli nakini ki ADC ke lahab ban yaksaj hakaliang ka pisa tingka. Lada kidang yaj hakani keju kelinti jong ka jing trekam bat ka jingpen mi khajna namar ka jingbun palat kinong tre kinsa khlem no tang hapo line saus nem. Kumta shwa ban poi hau ne put ka ne ka de ka jing Tyrwa ba phin wanra ka jingkala. Na kebenta ka ni ka jingkala ngila ai ka jingkersyan ya phi hakaliang ka pisa tingka ong uba pol habakren Syllad pathai kubor. Uba pol ula ong ru ba ka Sorkar kala Tyrwa ban kersyan pisa ya ki ADC bat na kaliang ka jongki kin ha ban penbej ha ka bayde bat ka jingdon kinong tre ban penklan ya ka jingpen mi pisa bat ban pentrekam ya ki weipat ka jingpen kala badan kam. Nalor kata ula pentip ru baki don na pedeng ki ADC ki bala don bun palat ki nong tre ha ka baka wei na kini ki council kala don hadu palat 1000 sans pa ngut ki nong tre. Ula banjur baka jingkersyan jong ke Sorkar ka dei ka badon ki kendon ya ki ADC bakin syem ya kesin jam ka badai ban wanra ya ka jingpen kala ha ka rukom tre kambat ka jingpen mi pisa. Ngayai ban ba ka dei kesin jam ka babiang bala syem da ka Sorkar jela namar pitip babaro ki ADC ki jushania ya ka jingkersyan ba ka Sorkar jela ka ai haki kum ka jingsam ya ka bha khajna na ki marpo khendo kum ka nuksa. Ngi don kam mar keliang bat hakani ka kam habang yoi baki ADC ki lajan poi sya uput ban khlem ngi kwa ban Tyrwa syaki ya ka jingem bat kani ka dei ka jingem ka ba ka Sorkar ka Tyrwa ong uba pol. Menteri ulapan pauru ba ka thmu jong ka Sorkar ka long halor ka jingpen bet ya ka jingthung nong tre bat ban penti kena bagi ADC kin don ya ka plating ka biang. Nalor kata ula nyawru ya ka ni kasin jam bala syem da ka Sorkar kum kalenti ka babha bat yaro ru ya ki jingthmu ban pen keladur ya ki ADC. Kat kum ka jingong ka jong ka Sorkar kamla ban shu shong klikti bat syupej bagi ADC kin khlem bat kane ka plan ban yarap bei tingka ka de ka sinjam ka badon kam ban khanglat ya kum kane ka jingmi.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shriya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
First and foremost, it's very important to distinguish between voluntary funding and something that is mandatory. In this case, what the government has offered is a reform-based bailout plan. I reiterate that point. Reform-based bailout plan, because at least a couple of these ADCs are about to crumble financially. If they carry on with the current style of functioning and revenue collection and overstaffing, they will collapse in 3 to 4 years. So before we reach that point, this is an offer that you reform. For this reform, we are supporting you this much financially. For this particular reform, we are supporting you this much. For you to augment your revenue collection, government is supporting you this much. So it is reform based. You have to tick the right boxes. It's not a blank check that we are giving to the ADCs. We tell them that, for instance, why does an ADC need to have a staff strength of 1500? There's no rationale, there's no justification. You cut it down by half. So to do that, government will support you so that you scale down that manpower. So I reiterate that it is a very positive move on the part of the state government, because as you know, a lot of what the ADCs do also depends on the support that the state government gives them. The revenue share from minerals, for instance. So we are interdependent, and in this case, wherever we find that the ADCs are about to reach a point of collapse, we would like to offer them a lifeline. And this is the lifeline that the cabinet is offering.
But this council is 70-year-old council, and
Yeah, it is a concern, definitely, which is why this reformist agenda on the part of the state government is very important to be appreciated in the right perspective. Our intention is that we rationalize, their staffing pattern, for instance. There are councils where if the whole staff attends office, there will not be enough space for the staff to sit inside the offices also. So what do you do then? Government can't just sit idle and be a mute spectator. And when the councils collapse, then you'll see what did the government do.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think no, remember once more.